Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix your zoom camera not working on Windows. If your camera suddenly stops showing up during meetings or you're seeing a black screen, this quick fix will help you get it working again. First, open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Zoom home screen where you can access all your settings and meeting options. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar. This is the small circular icon that displays your profile picture or initials. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open up the full settings panel where you can adjust all of Zoom's configurations. In the left sidebar, click on Video and Effects. This section controls everything related to your camera and video display settings. Navigate to the Video tab if it's not already selected. This is where you'll find all the camera-related controls and options. In the Camera section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to view all available cameras connected to your Windows device. Select your preferred working camera from the list. This step is crucial because Windows sometimes switches to a different camera or loses connection to your default one. Optional, you can check the box beside HD if you want higher quality video during your calls. Once you've selected your camera, close the settings window. Zoom will automatically save all your changes, so there's no need to click a save button. And that's it. Your Zoom camera should now be working properly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.